7,121 square meters at 800 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Mandawa, Bien Unido, Bohol. So ato gining balik-balik pag-usab guys. So uh, what I meant to say, we just always we'll just repeat this because this is really an urgent sale, rush sale. Just make an offer of this property because the owner needs money or financial. So it has 7 mango trees and deep well. All are flat terrain. Water, electricity, signal are available. It has a wide frontage which is ideal for residential or a subdivision development. Presently, it's an open lot. No improvement. So walking distance to the school and the barangay hall, and it's adjacent of Poblacion Bien Unido, Bohol. So very nice property guys, because Bien Unido is next to Talibon, Bohol, where there is already a soon to open bridge connecting Bien Unido and Talibon, Bohol, where Talibon is a progressive town with so many public commercial establishment. So that is the one. Then private schools. So meaning from Poblacion to Talibon, approximately 4 kilometers. Only 4 kilometers. I think if shortcut, if you are going to go with the new road or the bridge, approximately 4 kilometers. Then if you are going to pass from Bien Unido to Trinidad to Talibon, it's a long way. So very long. It takes around more or less 30 minutes drive or more. So now we have the new bridge. That is one of the best that we are going to buy this property. So as we can see, there are already fruits, no, and the mango. So before, according to the owner, it was 18 mango trees, 18 kamangga, but due to the typhoon audit, it was lost or damaged. So I repeat, just make an offer because owner needs money. So asking price is 800 pesos per square meter. Then it has a deep well. The deep well is really clean water. Then if you want to go some shoreline, walking distance to the shoreline, this is the deep well. So you can walk to the shoreline guys. It's not too far. More or less 500 meters away. Let's say 1 kilometer. It's very short. Then there are also fishermen in the area. You can buy fresh fish. See, all are flat terrain, and there is also a papaya on the property. So Di gihapon mabitin. Bien Unido is 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. It has seaport also. Sometimes I heard that there is going to Cebu, like a bangka, big bangka going to Cebu. Then you have beaches also. Again, it is a small town with 15 barangays. 8 are islands and 7 are mainlands. Again, Bien Unido was part of Talibon Bohol. It was part of Talibon Bohol. So, because they are very close or very this adjacent town. This is the barangay route. See? So, ang pabor dito guys, pag makabili ka nito na lote, pwede mo pagawa ng mga, for example, residential house or even subdivision. Kung magpunta ka sa Talibon, hindi masyadong malayo. Malapit lang talaga. Kasi may shortcut, maybe it will be open next year na siguro. Kasi malapit na talaga matapos yung bridge. So, it is the longest bridge in Bohol. And this is the part of Poblacion in Bien Unido, the central school. This yellow color is the central school in Bien Unido. And this is the municipal town hall on Bien Unido, of Bien Unido. So, very nice, no? In Bien Unido, there's also a diving spot. So, see? And this is the beaches in Bien Unido. Some are mangroves, but they are using. Then, other side, these are brown sand. Ang style ng lupa dito is brown sand. And this is the seaport. Going to the islands or even in Talibon, Bohol. Because very close, if you are going to use bangka or boat going to Talibon. So, that's the transportation. But if you want land by land, you can do it also by land. But it's par. And this is the diving camp. So if you are really fanatic on diving, so you can go here and register. Then they will guide you to the diving area. So that is the situation, guys. So this diving camp is managed by the local government unit or LGU. It has swimming pool, but they are still ongoing repair. So see, it's me. That guy is me. So, yung swimming pool nila ay nasa tabi talaga ng dagat. Maraming magsiswimming dito or mag-practice how to swim in this swimming pool. So, see? So, this is the tourism area and diving camp. And this is the bridge connecting Talibon and Bien Unido. Very close. So, approximately 4 to 5 kilometers already from Poblacion Bin Unido to Talibon, Bohol. So, very close na guys. Very nice. So, really nice to have a property in Bin Unido because it's not yet crowded in Poblacion. It's near Poblacion. So, I repeat, our property is 7,121 square meters for sale at 800 pesos per square meter. Negotiable, urgent or rush sale, and please make an offer. Mag-offer lang kayo. Alam ko, maririnig yan ni owner. So, malapit na tumatapos yung bridge guys. Siguro after the finishing, magmahalan na dyan. Mahal na.